Hey dolls and gents, I am back with a new video on this look right here. I did the makeup, I did the hair for y'all, and I am wearing a V-part wig, y'all. I had to give the lace wigs a break. I did not feel like rocking my natural hair, but I wanted something a little different. So if you've been in that mood too, I definitely suggest trying out a V-part wig because you don't have to have your natural hair out, but you can have it out up top just to give you like a more natural look. I mean, you can get a natural look with lace wigs, but let's be real, we know it's a wig. If you're a wig wearer, we know it's a wig. But this V-part wig is giving, this is my hair, honey, okay? This is the fullness and length that I wish my natural hair was, but I'm getting with this wig right here. And if you want to know the details on this wig, this V-part wig is from UNice. Shout out to UNice for sponsoring today's video. I will have all the details in the description box down below, and I will also give you some more details when I install this baby, and I'm going to show you how I blended it with my natural hair. I have 4B, 4C hair, and this is not the kinky curly. This is just the regular curly, and it's giving, okay? I am absolutely loving it. So I'm gonna show y'all my base. I'm gonna show y'all how I blended it. I'm gonna show y'all how I created this full makeup look right here. I wanted to do like a pink vibe. Yo, my nails are so stinking cute. I went to a new nail salon. The nail tech was bomb, and I wanted to do a look that matched my nails. I wanted to do something like kind of hot pink, and this is what I came up with. I'm in such a good mood tonight, y'all. I hope y'all are in a great mood as well. I really appreciate those of you who have been rocking with your girl for I don't know how long. If you've been rocking with me since 2009, that is insane. Even if you haven't been rocking with me for that long, I truly do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I would not be here without each and every one of you. So yeah, I don't want to talk too long, but I always end up talking too long. If you want to see how I created this look right here, you know what to do, boo. Stay tuned. And if you are not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. You don't want to miss my future videos. Let's get it going. So let's first start off by prepping our under eye area with the MAC Fast Response Eye Cream. This stuff works amazing prior to applying concealer, and I'm using one of my favorite primer waters from Smashbox. Next, I'm going in with the Benefit Pore Professional and the hydrating one. I have been loving this one lately, and I'm using the Tarte Face Tape foundation in the shade Rich Sand. Y'all will have to excuse my foundation shades as of late. This summer heat has got me so tan, which I love, but I don't have any foundations that match really good. But this works best with a sponge, y'all. I started with a brush and I was like, the sponge is blending it way better. So I'm using two concealers today. I'm first starting off with the Uma Beauty Woke Concealer in the shade Brown Sugar T2. And I'm using this to highlight all the areas on my face that I want to bring out. And underneath my eyes, I like that super bright look. So I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. And then for bronzing cream, I'm using the NARS Laguna 5 bronzer. I have been loving this lately. I'm using this to contour my nose, blending that baby out. And then I'm going to blend that concealer on my nose with a beauty blender. And this is the highlighted portion of my face. So I'm just making sure that I blend everything out really good. So I like to go back and forth between the bronzer and the concealer to just make sure everything is nice and blended. I go back and forth between using brushes and then my beauty blender, just depending on, you know, what is going to look the best. And then I also use the foundation brush just to blend out the edges so everything can melt flawlessly, y'all. As you can see right here, I love that e.l.f. brush. I believe this is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush, and this sponge is from Tarte, if I'm not mistaken, y'all. But yeah, do y'all see that under eye area? I absolutely love that bright highlighted look. To bake today, I'm using an oldie. This is the Sasha Camouflage Setting Powder in the shade Buttercup. I really wanted that bright look today, so I am baking all the areas that we highlighted on our face. And then for powder, I'm using another oldie that I really enjoy. This is the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation Powder in the shade Deep 71. When I tell you this powder will keep you matte, it will keep you matte, baby, okay? So I feel like me and this bronzer have been in a relationship for like a year and a half now. I have not cheated on this bronzer yet, y'all. This bronzer is the Mocha Mami Fenty Beauty Bronzer. I love this for just defining and adding warmth to my face. And then on my nose, it is snatching that nose, honey. And we're going to go ahead and blend away that powder that we used to bake. Yes, brightness, let's come through. So my brows need some major work. I'm first going in with the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP in the shade Soft Black. And after that, I'm going in with the Benefit Brow Styler. This is the powder in the shade number 5, just through the front of my eyebrows. And then I'm going to finish it off with the Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 4, just through the top portion of my brow. Lastly, I'm taking a little bit of the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter just through my brow hairs to set them in place. Now I'm cleaning up underneath my brows with the Uma Beauty Stay Woke Concealer, the same concealer that we used to highlight our face earlier, and I'm just blending it out. So I've been dying to use this Vava Bloom Morphe eyeshadow palette. I'm first going in with the shade Miss Me, and y'all, it comes up as a hot pink on me. It did not look like that in the pan, but it is definitely giving hot pink pigmentation, okay? And after that, I'm going in with the shade She's Tough, which is a bit darker. It's like a darker hot pink. And then I'm applying this to my inner and outer corner because I'm going to do a little pop of something in the middle of my eye. I just wanted to go for that vibe today. Next, I'm using the deepest shade in that palette, In Charge, to deepen the inner and outer corner a little bit more before we add that pop of color. Next, I'm going in with the shade Penthouse and adding this as a pop of color on the center of our eyelid. And after this, I am going in with the Urban Decay Woodstock 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and I'm applying this to my waterline. It is a nice hot pink shimmery eye pencil. And then we're defining the under eye area and kind of blowing it out with the She's Tough eyeshadow shade, the second shade that we used in the crease. And then for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Sky High mascara. This is my first time using it. I actually like it quite a bit. For blush today, I'm going in with a shimmery pink. This is the Balm Cabana Boy. This used to be one of my fave blushes, y'all. I did apply lip product, but I didn't like how it turned out, so I decided to just use the MAC Cork Lip Liner and the Boy Bait Cream Sheen Gloss. So I decided to add a pop of highlight in my inner corner of my eyes. I'm using the Cutesy eyeshadow from the Vava Bloom palette. And lastly, I'm applying my MAC Fix Plus spray. This is the Cherry Blossom one. It smells really good. And actually, that wasn't the last step because we need to apply lashes. These are the Ardell Double Up, and these are the number 113s in case any of you are interested. I got these from my local beauty supply store. They're super cute and affordable, okay? All right, y'all, let's get into this hair. This V-part wig from UNice has 4 combs on the top, 3 combs in the back, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and then an adjustable strap. And can we get into these curls? Yes, ma'am. Absolutely love these curls, y'all. This is the hair with no product added to it whatsoever. And then we are going to take off my scarf. We're going to take off another scarf, and then I know my hair looks crazy, but there's a rhyme or reason for this. So I have 2 flat twists, and then I have my hair back in a little bun, well, like a low ponytail, and I braided it. And then I added a little bit of gel just to get it slicked back. But we're going to go ahead and apply this baby. I put the comb in the back end, and then I'm going to put the 4 combs up top in now. I like to work from side to side, and I click those babies in so they are nice and secure. And I'm going around those 2 flat twists because I'm going to use that hair as my leave out. I know it probably looked crazy, but it's like a really simple, quick way for me to have my hair underneath my V-part wig. So I'm going to refresh the curls on this hair using a little bit of water with leave-in conditioner. This is the Kinky Curly Knot Today. I love this stuff on my natural hair, and it works amazing on curly hair as well, y'all. Can we get into how luscious these curls are? And I don't even need a brush. I'm just using my fingers, and those curls are popping right back into place, y'all. It doesn't need much product at all. So I'm going to show you how I blend my hair with this V-part wig. So it really doesn't matter if you braid or flat twist your hair. I just kind of wanted it to get out the way. But as you can see, it does not blend with my hair. So I'm first going to wet my hair with that same mixture, the leave-in conditioner and the water. And then I'm first going to go in with the Tegan Miracle Repair X. This is their Curl Food Daily Moisturizer just to moisturize my hair. And then I'm going down the parting with the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. And I'm going down the full shaft of my hair with it. And I'm taking a little bit of a curl from the V-part wig, and I'm wrapping it around like 3 to 4 times, and then I'm pulling it down with the hair from the V-part wig just to make it blend. As you can see, like, it's a little trick. Like, this is what we used to do back in the day when we did a U-part wig, but I'm doing it with this V-part wig, and I really love this method. If you don't want to leave any of your hair out, you can definitely do the method where you use the crochet needle, or if you have a different method that you want to use, by all means, you can do that. But for me, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. And all you have to do is just use the scarf at night and you're good to go. So it does blend a lot better than just putting something on my hair and slicking it down. Like, that doesn't work for me. So I'm using a little bit of foaming wrap lotion just to seal everything in place, y'all. And I love how this is turning out. I'm going in with a comb, and we're going to do something with those edges. And I have been loving this gel. Like, I absolutely love this gel. This is the Extreme Pro Expert Gel. I have been loving this more than the Eco Styler gel lately. I don't know why, but I've been loving it. If y'all like this gel too, let me know in the comments down below. But I'm just doing something like real quick with my edges, nothing crazy. And the hair is done, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know what you thought about it in the comments section down below. I have been trying to do more just like beauty content, makeup tutorials, because that's what I started doing. I know that's what y'all enjoy. If you want to see something else, let me know what you would like to see in the comments section down below. And if you have not already watched my last makeup tutorial, be sure to click right here. It'll take you straight to it, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.